Hi, I'm Travis. This is our 5-stage wash system and our powder paint line here in Altoz. The powder coat paint, it lasts longer, it's durable. As the part comes into our 5-stage wash system, first stage has a chemical that washes the part. It makes sure that all of the impurities from cutting, from welding are washed off. As the part goes down into stage 2, that'll kick in, and then that stage rinses the chemical and whatnot, what might be left on in stage 1 off. Stage 3 also rinses, and then stage 4, we put on a protective coating, kind of like a spot-free rinse, if you will. Then it goes into stage 5, and that's our RO system. It's a filtered water. So our drying furnace runs at 300 degrees. The parts go in, usually probably about 10 to 12 minutes. That way we know that the parts are completely dry. As the part comes down the line, it'll enter into our room. The part is actually read by sensors. The system knows the dimensions of the part. So as the guns are going up and down, they're still going in and out so they can get all the nooks and crannies. They provide a nice even coat. That way you don't see stripes on your parts. We like to touch up the bigger parts, chassis, decks. We'll do some touch up on the parts that we know, like the nooks and crannies where we know that the paint from the guns, automatic guns, will not get. We use multiple different colors, multiple different textures. We'll change the paint out. Process takes about 7 minutes. My favorite part, the system is constantly cleaning itself. So as the parts are coming in and they're being painted, it automatically gets sucked in, and then it gets filtered and brought straight back to the gun so that it can be reutilized. So after the parts are painted, they go into our curing furnace. That's a 25-minute cure at 440 degrees. It provides the protective coating on our part and makes sure that it's scratch resistant also. So this is our powder coat paint system, and this is what makes our Altoz machine stand out.